Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Gmail storage full problem. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to scroll down and click on settings. And here you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for Gmail. Click on that and click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to do is to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to go back, open Play Store, and you need to search for the Gmail here, and you need to update your Gmail application. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Gmail, and hopefully your issue will be resolved. But if or your issue will still be there, so you simply need to click on the three bars on the top, scroll down, and you simply need to delete all emails from the trash. Okay, and after that you need to clear spam as well. Okay, and after that you need to go into the primary and delete the unnecessary emails that you received. So hopefully after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.